Hello everyone and welcome. And in this video I'm going to walk you through Flip Cash. That's right, how to redeem Flip Cash. Let's get started. Now, when dealing with Flip Cash, it is important to understand that it pertains to the Flip Social Sportsbook app and it operates within a sweepstakes model. Therefore, redeeming Flip Cash is more accurately described as a redemption process for prizes. Here's a breakdown based on correct information. Flip coins are for play for fun and have no redeemable value, while Flip Cash is used for sweepstakes entries and can be redeemed for prizes. But you must meet a minimum redemption amount, and Flip Cash typically needs to be played through at least once before redemption. Now, let me give you the general redemption procedure. Ensure you have reached the minimum redemption amount of Flip Cash, often $50. Then verify that you have met the playthrough requirement. Access the redemption section. Open the Flip app and log into your account. Navigate to your profile or account settings. Look for a redemption or similar options. Initiate redemption. Select the amount of Flip Cash you wish to redeem. Choose your preferred redemption method, which could include cash prizes or gift cards depending on Flip's offerings. Provide the necessary payment or delivery information, confirm and submit. Do not forget to review all redemption details and then confirm and submit your redemption request. Allow time for Flip to process your redemption. Processing times can vary. It's as simple as that. Note that there are some important considerations that you need to pay attention to. For example, terms and conditions. Always refer to Flip's official terms and conditions and sweepstakes rules for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Next is the verification. Flip may require identity verification before processing redemptions. Next is app updates. You see, app interfaces and redemption processes can change, so ensure your app is updated. Last but not the least is the state regulations. Regulations regarding these types of apps can vary greatly from state to state, so always be aware of the laws in your area. I hope this helps you.